Hi guys, so we are playing MM2. I'm gonna join real quick. Just wait. Please wait guys. Chloe is playing, please donate. I'm gonna press phone. Yes, because I'm on phone, of course. So guys, I joined my friend and I don't think she have a YouTube or TikTok. I'm gonna spectate. Is this my twin? Is this my twin? It is my twin sister. My twin sister. Yes. There. So I'm gonna mute myself a bit because I don't feel talking. Guys, I just want this weapon and I forgot to record. I'm gonna trade her. So what weapon I should trade? What weapon should I trade? Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna trade her. You're gonna decide what I'm going to trade. This or this or this or this. No, not this. This is my watch weapon. Or this. I think this. Bruh, why did I? So, Timers? Timers. Hi, Twan. How are you? My twin, why are you lagging? So, I'm gonna wait till the round start. Oh, it started. Bruh, I should be quiet for 1 second. Okay, I'm ready. Bro, my twin just killed my... So I'm gonna choose... I'm gonna be back till the round starts. It's so no need. So I'm going to MM to aim changer because my aim sucks. I have Godly. Nah. What do y'all want? This? Choose this. I'm gonna just aim train myself because I suck at sheriff and murd. I always die. When I beat them, they killed me. So what I'm gonna go is realistic camper, field, and random jump. Chloe, look. Chloe, look at my godlike. That's what I'm gonna say. Let me turn this on. I'm gonna practice bomb jumping because I don't. But no, bro. I think I'm just gonna go with this. What, bruh? Where am I? Go back. How guys? Bruh. Guys, wait till I join the game. So guys, I'm back. I'm so pro. I'm gonna go. Yeah. I'm just gonna do something. I randomly jump. Bro, why did I'm gonna wait. Yeah. I'm gonna search my friend's name. I mean myself, I guess. I don't need this. It's just easy. Just do this. This is my user. So, okay. I'm gonna go. Bro. Yes. Where is she? Where is me? Bro. I missed Aura. Bro! Speechless. I'm gonna say that. Bro, my aim sucks. Yes. I have laser gun. Look, guys, I have laser. I thought infinite plus aura, and I have infinite aura. I'm gonna do the aura farm trend. I'm gonna do that. But I can even plus one. The aura farm. Just gonna stay. One more time. Super minus or why am I so noob? I'm just like everyone that have godly. This is a multi-trainer, so I'm gonna go multiplayer. Wait, guys. So guys, I'm back. Okay. My brother. I have much fun and my brother. He cute. He is. Why? Or a fun. I hate this.
Challenges 3-2. Nice game, bro. Nice game.
2-1.
Ako, nanalo ako.
My bro. My aim sucks.
Maraming salamat.
This is me and
Mission 1 accomplished.
this is
Nag-enjoy ako eh. Kasi hindi ko lang malayan na
you know what? I'm gonna go
Ang ganda ng
mark.
kwentuhan natin. Natuto ko mag-frisbee. At kung gano'n ako talaga mag-enjoy kayo talaga. Lalo at magawa. Pero para sa next mission ko, kailangan ko maghanap ng ginto. Saan tayo maghanap ng ginto?
Bruh.
Dito. Tara. Nakakita na ba kayo ng paraiso sa ilalim ng dagat? Kung hindi pa, humanda kayo mapakuwaw sa Verde Island. Ang Verde Island o Isla Verde sa Batangas
Hashtag
paboritong destinasyon ng mga mahilig sa dagat, diving at picture. Ang karagatan sa paligid ng Isla Verde ay tinatawag na Verde Island Passage. At dito, may makikita ang mga sea creatures na hindi
first time.
species ng isla. Ang dagat na makikita rito sa loob ng 1.4
So guys, I'm lagging. Just got beaten.
Biodiversity. Napakalinaw ng tubig dito kaya kitang-kita ang napakaraming mahilag. Makikita gardens at underwater canyons kung saan nakatira ang menyong isda, pawigan at iba pang kahangahangang species habang nagda-diving o snorkel ka. Nakaharap din sa Verde at Verde Island Passage yung problema ng polusyon. Bukod sa plastics, ito ang kasama ng mga kakawin sa mga skills at iba pang problema ang gawa ng mga tao. Kaya pag namamasyal tayo sa dagat,
Bro, I don't know this anymore.
gagalawin ng mga corals dahil yan ang mga tahanan ng isda. At syempre, huwag na rin tayo tapon ng basura. Nasa pasyalan tayo, huwag maging huwan-tamad. Be one,
So guys,
susunod.
come back from part.
Makakahanap kaya ako ng vote para sa mission ko.
Wait guys.
Nag-register na sinain ang titignan natin sa pabaon. Sama-sama tayo mag-explore sa pagbalik ng planet.
How do I image? Gonna go one more time. Oh, wait, I need the color. Color. I think color. Bruh.
Linggo, 7:15 p.m. Para dito ang pinakamalaking original Pinoy
Bye.